Samsung has a new phone out. It's not a top-of-the-line model or one of their foldable phones. It's called the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and it's their latest budget flagship options. Think of it like the Galaxy S24 Plus but with few lower specs and the price of $650. I recently got to try it out and honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about it. Let me explain why. I spent just under an hour trying out the Galaxy S24 FE and the first thing I noticed was how big it is. The S24 FE measures around 162 by 77 by 8, which makes it bigger than the Galaxy S24 Plus, which is 158 by 75 by 7.7. The S24 FE is also heavier, weighing around 213 grams compared to the 196 grams of the S24 Plus. The size difference might not seem huge on the paper, but you definitely notice when using the Galaxy S24 FE. It still has the same 6.7-inch screen as the S24 Plus, but the rest of the phone is bigger all around. If you like big phones, this probably won't bother you, but since I've been leaning more towards smaller phones lately, it didn't feel great to me. On the bright side, the S24 FE's hardware is mostly good. The aluminum frame feels sturdy, the buttons are nice to press, and the blue and mint colors look great. They are not bold as the iPhone 16's ultramarine and teal, but I still like them. I'm always a fan of color phones, and the S24 FE does well with that. It has a lower resolution screen than the S24 Plus, but it looks fine to my eyes. It's a little soft if you really pixel peep, but this is a quality AMOLED panel. There's also a 120Hz refresh rate that was smooth and fluid during my time with the phone. Having 120Hz is still a great addition and something Apple really should take note of with the iPhone 16. Instead of using the Qualcomm Snapdragon chip, the Galaxy S24 FE comes with a Samsung-owns Exynos 2400E chip. We don't often see Exynos chip in the Samsung phones in the US, so this is something to notice. I need more time to really test the chip, but opening a few apps and scrolling through menus felt smooth. I'm a bit more concerned about the cameras. On the Galaxy S24 FE, the 50-megapixel main camera, the 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and the 8-megapixel 3x telephoto cameras seems okay on the paper, but they are not super impressive. The main and ultra-wide cameras are the same as those on the S24 Plus, but the telephoto camera has a lower quality sensor. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE seems like a solid smartphone. It's a noticeable large device with a 120Hz display, its performance looks good, and you get all the Galaxy AI features from the Samsung's pricier model.